This is New Year, and what a better way to start my video this New Year than to show you my family and friends. Today we'll be playing with some fireworks, and we'll just be showing you our lifestyle basically. Get ready to laugh, smile, enjoy the thrill, and meet my friends. Okay, stay tuned. I'll see you.
Wow. Okay.
This New Year, I'm definitely hoping for more happiness,
Of course.
better mind,
Of course.
better job,
Of course.
more money,
Of
just greatness.
Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Tell them.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.
I hope for more money with my job. I hope to meet somebody or finally have somebody make up his goddamn mind before Jesus come for his world. So it look like he's waiting on Jesus to come for his damn world.
Shout out to my mommy. All this sleepless night every day with the grind non-stop. You know, say we do it for the money, yeah. Most this life, you know, funny, yeah. I'm steady on the road, always down for the move. Just do it for the money, yeah. The most this life is too funny, yeah. It's too funny, yeah. I steady grinding for me, all these ladies they love me for the money, my money. I shout out to my mommy. I shout out to my home.
So Victoria decided to join the big boys.
You know, don't fear.
Of course.
We have to do big things.
Yes,
You
so
want big things, you go for big things.
exactly.
Like I'm a big girl.
For me now, I'm a big girl holding the camera this close. Hey, big girl thing. Yes.
Big girl.
Yes. Yes.
Cynthia onye Bobby.
I just wanna see my you know the street rough, but still I show you now let me.
Cynthia up, not sideways.
2023. First of all, Happy New Year to whoever is gonna watch this video. So this year, I have to be aggressive this year. First of all, what I want this year, financial stability.
Yes, so.
And as I'm getting it, a financial stable man.
Yes, so.
If you not be doing financial stability like me, come build. So that's what I'm looking forward to, you know. I'm all about that life right now.
Yes.
I need a man,
Let's go.
a stable man.
Able-bodied man.
New job.
So what do you think you guys
a
should
good
find?
man.
Happy New Year, guys. Hello. So this New Year, I'm definitely hoping for more greatness, happiness, beautiful friends, family, more money, fine husband that has sense, better job,
Very
you know,
important.
more stability. I just don't want any kind of man. I need somebody with common sense. No riffraffs. Okay?
Common sense is not that common, so
Yeah.
I understand.
More trips and the money for the trips somehow come by.
Expense paid trip.
Expense paid trip.
Yeah.
You know, more responsibility in terms of money coming to me. Just joy all through.
She needs a man with passport.
Ngwa, come this way, it's your turn.
Travel, not a man with ID.
Hello.
Okay, guys, this year I am praying for and I'm aiming for good health, good business that's actually bringing in so much income, trip to Nigeria and other trips, and family time. And
And a
more-
man.
Okay, nice.
Thank you.
And it meant for her too.
People will say, what's wrong with this lady? And everybody was smart.
I'm telling you.
They will think I'm a charity case.
So for 2023, I would like to finally buy my house this year. I would also like to get into another job that allows me to make more money. And I'd also like to meet a special someone finally after so many years. Can meet somebody that is for me, you know, my person. So that would be ideal as well.
Amen.
Amen.
What's it called again?
Robo. What is Robo called? Is there a cup when it's Robo?
It was roboing. It was roboing round.
Love me for the money.
Guys.
Shout out to my mommy. I shout out to my homie.
Are you telling what I'm looking forward to 2023, right? Good job.
End this section for us.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow. Okay? Do you follow? Oh no! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Leave a comment. Love you all.
And
have a-
share, please share.
Yeah, share. Forward to a friend, share to a friend. You know what's up.
Okay. Thank you.
And Happy New Year once again. A prosperous year. Glorious